Hello everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to do cringe Filipino karate because I'm a Filipino, because I am proud to be a Filipino cringe karate. This is my talent. Hiya! No, the belt. I am the champion of the belt. So I am doing cringe karate. I'm doing cringe karate. Okay. I am a Filipino cringe karate. That's better. So, hiya, 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 ha, 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 hiya, 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 hiya. Hiya. That's how I exercise every day, Monday to Friday. That's how you do my exercise, cringe karate. So imagine, find an item that you can do kick your opponent. This is my opponent. So I'm gonna kick my opponent. That's how you kick the opponent. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cringe karate video Monday to Friday every day. Or what the day is, I don't know, but all you have to do, I'm gonna upload more 6, I don't know, cringe karate. Don't forget to like and subscribe.